Are you looking for the best gaming monitors? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best gaming monitors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dell 27 Curved Gaming Monitor, S2721 HGF. Gaming monitors don't need to be flashy, sometimes they just need to work. The Dell 27 Curved Gaming Monitor, S2721 HGF, is a simple, no-frills gaming monitor that offers great 1080p gaming performance on a 144Hz display. A simple 27-inch screen with 2 HDMI ports and a DisplayPort, the Dell 27 curves slightly, with a radius of 1,500 mm. It offers good color contrast and color range, and in a pleasant surprise, this budget-friendly monitor also supports AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync adaptive sync technologies for the prevention of screen tearing. Whether you're gaming on a console or your PC, the S2721 HGF is a simple, affordable solution. If you're on a budget and are fine with the bare necessities, the Dell 27 Curved Gaming Monitor will work for you. Number 2. LG 27 UltraGear Gaming Monitor, 27GR83Q. If you're in the market for a reasonably priced gaming monitor, but you're looking to tap into higher resolutions than 1080p, the LG 27 UltraGear Gaming Monitor, 27GR83Q, is right for you. It's a great monitor for those who own mainstream gaming PCs or favor performance over quality modes for their console games. The unassuming monitor measures 27 inches and offers a DisplayPort, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a USB-B port. The 560x1, 440 pixel panel offers a 240Hz refresh rate, which is optimal for gamers interested in fast-paced action games, and opens up opportunities to tap into higher refresh modes on consoles, too. Combine that with low input lag and good color range, and you've got an excellent 1440p monitor. Have a mainstream PC or a current-gen console and want a sweet spot between state-of-the-art refresh rates and high screen resolution? The LG 27 UltraGear Gaming Monitor, 27GR83Q, will work for you. Number 3. HP Omen 27K. With 2 HDMI ports, one 2.0 and one 2.1, a DisplayPort 1.4, and one USB Type-C, which can also be used as a DisplayPort input. The HP Omen 27K offers plenty of I/O options for console and PC players. The 144Hz refresh rate might be low when compared to other premium gaming monitors, but it'll do the job for players who value 4K visuals over all else. The color range is fair, but the color accuracy and low input lag help balance out the monitor's less-than-stellar aspects. Overall, it's an excellent 4K monitor for casual gaming. If you're interested in saving money and optimizing visual fidelity, the HP Omen 27K is a solid pick. Number 4. Asus TUF Gaming VG27 AQL3A. You don't need the latest and greatest gaming monitor to enjoy your games, but you can find a capable screen for a budget price if you know what to look for. The Asus TUF Gaming VG27 AQL3A is a more than capable 2K, 560x1, 440 pixel monitor with a 180Hz refresh rate. It offers excellent color accuracy for the price, supports both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync, and has surprisingly low input lag. It suffers from some issues, poor speakers and an overall unsightly aesthetic, but those are issues we think you can live with for $299. For gamers on a budget, the Asus TUF Gaming VG27 AQL3A delivers solid visuals and performance at a pauper's price, for a gaming monitor, anyway. Number 5. Asus ROG Swift OLED PG32 UCDM. Sometimes you just want to play your games on the big screen. The Asus ROG Swift OLED PG32 UCDM is a 32-inch behemoth, complete with a gorgeous 4K OLED panel and a 240Hz refresh rate. Unique RGB lighting and a built-in KVM help it stand out from other 4K OLED monitors, and pair well with high-end PCs. Impressive color range, color accuracy, and low input lag make an even stronger argument for this big screen. If you're ready to enjoy a large screen in all its splendor, The Asus ROG Swift OLED PG32 UCDM is the right place to start.